back for another video. And today, as you can see, we're climbing on the same mountain we climbed last time. Except that today, we were wanting to reach the waterfall. That's our day. Today, because we failed that these days. So today we brought a friend. We brought a friend, and the friend. We brought this friend. This guy. Yeah, he's playing with some old man, and that guy's showing some little creature. And he's like literally waving a creature at me. And okay, I can't hide this. I'm so fucking afraid of it. Help! Okay, let's run. Oh shit, he's getting on us. Let's run. Oh fuck. Oh my god. I'm so afraid of it. Okay. I'm ashamed to say I'm afraid of these bugs. And they're like so small and cruel. They're just bouncing around. They're so scary. I'm really, ashamed to say I'm afraid of bugs. Anyway, as you can see, our friend is leading us to the waterfall. And this is going to be fun. Except for the bugs part. And let's begin our journey. Okay, so this is a suspiciously hill. And I don't know if he's going to attack us. Okay, as you can see, I'm risking it, and I'm gonna film our friend. And let's see our grasshopper. You may not see it, but I see it. Look, this one. My friend is like, really? 不要攻击我啊 Really attackable, and oh, he's really annoying, but yeah, I'm so afraid of them. And as you can see, you've seen our grasshopper, and as you see our grasshopper, I guess we no longer need to see that grasshopper ever again. Okay, so now let's officially begin our journey. Okay.
没有啦。
Okay, 真的没有. Okay, so he's out. So now he's harmless. Okay, so I'll see you guys when we reach the top. Okay. Oh, guys, okay. We're here. We finally made it. After rock climbing and so many mosquitoes, but we made it. And I tell you, totally worth it. It's such a fascinating view. And the swimming pool. Oh my God, it's so much better than a real swimming pool. Let me show you! Holy crap, yeah, that's our little friend. Yeah, that's our little friend. And then there's our other little friend, our little doggy. Yeah, there's a dog here. Yeah, I'm gonna go swim in it later. Look at this waterfall. It is fascinating! Okay, let me show you down there. Look at this! And you can swim in that. You can swim in that this big lake. I'm gonna swim that big lake later. And I can even swim this waterfall. Fascinating! And but this is the main course. This is where we're gonna swim on. Okay? Okay, I'm gonna jump in. Bye!
你最高兴什么？没看看我的脸。
小心啊，小心啊！
不要跳，不要跳，不要跳！
上面水是冷。那个外婆好年轻的，那个外婆，那个小孩的外婆。
嗯。
你过来呀！
啊，就正好跟正好在一起玩那个小孩。
Okay, guys, today has been a ton of fun. This view, I'll let you see it again. It's fascinating. I had a ton of fun at this little pool, and I had a ton of fun in that deep pool. And well, anyway, it's just I'm now so tired and I've got a lesson to catch on. So I'll see you guys at home. Probably won't make it.